This is the McLaren Elva. That's its dashboard, the steering wheel, pretty much standard McLaren, but there's nothing standard about this car. So this has a vertical computer screen, you have a knob on the side as well, and if you look down you can see the AC vents, and I have the key in my hand as well, but I'm scared of starting it. It's just a very powerful car, I don't want to ruin it. Anyway, you have the engine start stop button, the gear switches, and you have armrest which doesn't open. Okay, let's look at the rest of the interior. It's all carbon fiber. The seats are very nice. They're almost like leather. They look like leather, even though they're sports seats. It's very beautiful. How short are they? The bottom part is very small. Anyway, this is the Elva. It's one of 149. This is number 128. They wanted to make more, but they, I guess, settled on 149. That's its doors. You can see how it opens upwards. And let me just show you the exterior. So what's so special about this McLaren? It's completely topless. It has no roof, no windscreen. And why is that? Basically, these speedsters have become a little popular. Ferrari made one. I have one here as well. Basically, the windscreen creates a lot of drag. So when you remove that drag, the car becomes a little better at handling. So even the design of the steering wheel mount is designed to deflect air from the driver. So what happens to the air coming over the car? Basically, it goes through the nose and comes out from that black grill on the front of the car. So when it comes out upwards, the air that's coming towards the car pushes the air and directs it over the cabin. So basically, McLaren say that you can have a normal conversation with your passenger at speeds of below 70 miles per hour. Here you can store 2 helmets. This is a compartment, and you should wear them above 70 miles per hour. That's the engine, a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 which makes 815 horsepower. That's a little more than the Senna. Speaking of the Senna, I actually have a Senna here. It's actually just behind the car. Can you see it? There it is. So both the cars have the same engine. I also have one more car, just want to quickly show you, the Huracan STO. And behind that I have 2 AMG Black Series cars. I have 4 Bugattis here, 2 Chiron Sports. The grey one is the anniversary edition. The blue one is a Bugatti Divo. That's absolutely beautiful. Have a look at that video as well. So what is this McLaren Elva? This is an open top speedster. It's designed to give you absolute, performance and an experience that you will never forget. That's why these cars exist, these open top cars. You have the big adjustable spoiler here, and you have these very thin tail lights and 4 exhaust pipes. The lower 2 and the upper 2, you can see them here. So they're designed to take out extra noise from the engine. 2 of them take out the high notes, 2 of them take out the low notes. So in comparison, when they work in combination, they create a Nirvana exhaust system. That's what the engineers at McLaren call it. So this car is for 8 million dirhams. It's roughly 1.5 times more expensive than the Senna, or half a Speedtail. This is a Ferrari Monza SP2, an exact rival of this car. It's covered now. I've seen one a year ago. I have a video of that as well on my channel. So this showroom is actually VIP Motors. I come here a lot. And have a look at my channel. I have videos from other places as well, and lots of other cars as well. As for the Elva, I love it, but I don't like the color. It's just a little too bright for me. But yeah, I want to experience driving this car one day. Hopefully I will drive it.